Welcome to Google Certified Student Level 1, Google Calendar Scenario 3. In this scenario, Florencio is organizing the Senior Sunrise event to celebrate his class's impending graduation. He wants to create a Google Calendar event for Senior Sunrise. Where does he click to create a new Google Calendar event? So in this case, he would come over here, open up his calendar, and up here on the top left corner, it says Create. He's going to click there. And then what you always want to do when you create an event to make sure you can see all the different options is click here to more options. Now you go full screen, you can see everything. So he would simply create his event, Senior Sunrise. Maybe put in the correct date, time, which probably would be early in the morning. Oops, that's PM, let's go to AM. That's better. And then he can click here to add guests, and then you have all the different information here that you can put. You can put if there's a specific location, you can put the map location. You can set notifications. A lot of things you can do. And this should say Senior Sunrise. That's a spell check there. And then click Save when they're done. And then now it shows up here in Google Calendar.